So today I want to talk about surgery. So sometimes surgery does become necessary, usually not until after someone is exhausted, weeks, if not months, sometimes even years of what we call conservative care. Maybe you've had physical therapy, chiropractic care, injections, things like that. Sometimes people will have nerve blocks and other um, less invasive procedures to try and solve problems before surgery happens. Surgery is generally something of last resort, unless there's some sort of like real life threatening injury or an obvious injury like a broken bone, even things like herniated discs and things in the back that are causing pain are often treated conservatively first, if at all possible, and there's a reason for that. Surgeries are um, you know are not guaranteed. Surgeries have their own sets of complications, risk factors. They're expensive. Sometimes you can cause unexpected harm while trying to fix the underlying problem. So surgery is seldom the first stop of treatment in most cases, but sometimes it becomes necessary. Insurance companies hate surgeries. Why is that? Why do insurance companies hate surgeries? Well, first of all, they're expensive. So, as compared to physical therapy and chiropractic care, when a surgery becomes necessary, then the expenses go up. They're usually done in a hospital. You have anesthesiologists, you have specialists, neurosurgeons, orthopedic surgeons, other kinds of specialists. The bills from that tend to be much higher than conservative care, and insurance companies don't like paying out more than they absolutely have to. Insurance companies also don't like surgeries because people don't get surgeries unless they have to. Insurance companies love to accuse people of exaggerating their symptoms, of faking injuries, things like that. Maybe you're going to chiropractic care even though you really don't need it, but they understand that most people don't get surgeries unless they truly have to, right? And so surgeries get insurance companies' attention, and it does affect people's, the settlement values of cases. Surgeries often help the major problems, but sometimes can have long term. There can be long term issues that are not really resolved by surgery. Sometimes surgeries can cause nerve damage while they're in there. So the insurance companies take note of surgeries, especially if they've already been done, as opposed to future surgeries, in part because they know a lot of people are hesitant to have surgeries, and even though the doctor recommends it, people may not have it. So, to the extent that surgery is necessary, it is often helpful in the scheme in the from the standpoint of pursuing a legal claim to have the surgery done before a demand is made, not after, if time permits.